Good afternoon, team. Today I am going to speak about how to make a good presentation. First, the importance of a good presentation. Capture the audience attention, communicate ideas clearly and effectively, leaves a lasting impression. Know your audience. Research your audience before the presentation, understand their interests and needs, tailor the content to their level of knowledge. Define the presentation objective. What do you want to achieve with your presentation? Define a clear and specific objective. Focus on that objective through the presentation. Structure the presentation. Introduction. Present the topic and set the objective. Body. Present the main points with examples and data. Conclusion. Summarize the key points and reinforcement the main message. Create engaging slides. Use a clean and professional design. Limit the amount of text on each slide. Use images, charts, and diagrams to support the content. Use of text on the slides. Use readable fonts and appropriate sizes. Keep the text short and to the point. Avoid excessive use of all caps and bolds. Use of images and graphics. Choose high quality and relevant images. Use charts to represent data visually. Don't overcrowd slides with too many images. Storytelling techniques. Tell a story to make the presentation more interesting. Use anecdotes and personal examples. Ask rhetorical questions to engage the audience. Practice the presentation. Rehearse several times before the presentation day. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Ask for feedback from friends or colleagues. Maintain eye contact. Look at the audience while speaking. Avoid reading directly from the slides. Make eye contact with different people in the room. Use body language. Use gestures and movements to emphasize key points. Maintain an open and confident posture. Avoid crossing your arms or hiding your hands in pockets. Manage nerves. Take deep breaths before starting. Visualize a successful presentation. Remember that nerves are normal and can be managed. Interaction with the audience. Ask questions to keep the audience engaged. Invite the audience to participate in discussions. Listen actively and respond to questions clearly. Use of technology. Ensure all equipment is functioning properly. Make a backup of the presentation on a USB. Use a remote control to advance the slides. Effective conclusion. Summarize the key points of the presentation. Reinforce the main message. Invite the audience to ask questions. Questions and answer session. Allocate time to answer audience questions. Respond clearly and concisely. If you don't know the answer, offer to follow up later. Closing and thanks. Thanks the audience for their time and attention. Provides contact information for future inquiries. Invite the audience to stay in touch and continue learning. Thank you. Keep learning.